Shooters who've used the Satori 725 consistently comment on how natural it feels to shoot, especially for sporting clays or trap shooting. The adjustable trigger and overall balance make it one of the smoothest shooting over-unders out there. In comparison to something like the Beretta 686, the Satori 725 offers slightly more customization in terms of the trigger system and has a noticeably softer recoil. However, some users may prefer the aesthetics of the Beretta over the Browning. You're looking at around $2,500 to $3,000 for this one, but the performance you get with the Satori 725 is worth every penny. If you're serious about shooting, this is a shotgun that'll last you for years and never let you down.